Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other usual activity your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. For example, as you put your username and password in your Snapchat login, and if you click on login and you see this kind of error occurring to your Snapchat, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. And after that, you have to simply close this page. And after closing the page, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to try to log in into your account again. But before this, you have to simply turn off the airplane mode again. And if you find the same error, then what you have to do, you have to simply try to change your password, which means you can simply click on forgot password. And after if you have tried all the things, then what you can do is you can simply contact the Snapchat support. For this, what you have to do, you have simply open a browser, which may be a Safari or Chrome, anything. And here you have simply search for Snapchat support. And you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi. So you have to make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. So you have to simply connect to your Wi-Fi, and after that, you can simply search Snapchat support on your Safari browser, and after that, you can simply look for the problem which you are facing, like you are facing the problem of due to repeated failed attempts, and after that, you can simply open the Snapchat support. And after opening the Snapchat support, you can simply look for your error, and you will be guide thoroughly related to your problem. And after that, you can simply search for the solution in the Snapchat support problem. So in this way, you can simply solve the problem in Snapchat support. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.